अपन चैनल scsmithila के करू सब्सक्राइब और बेल बटन जरूर दबा दिया ताकि हर खबर सबसे पहले पहुंचे अहां तक।
रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दरभंगा मिड टाउन की ओर से द रोटरी लीडरशिप इंस्टीट्यूट कार्यक्रम का आयोजन 2 दिवसीय 4 एवं 5 नवंबर 2023 को होटल ग्रेसिया इंटरनेशनल में किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में सेक्रेटरी रोटेरियन निर्मल कुमार सिन्हा, चेयरमैन डॉक्टर प्रवीर सिन्हा, को चेयरमैन डॉक्टर अमिताभ सिन्हा एवं प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर केपी सिन्हा मुख्य रूप से भाग लिए।
President, sir.
Meeting called to order for national anthem.
It's a very proud moment.
A program recommended to not an official program of RI, but it's recommended by Rotary International for developing leadership skill and inculcate knowledge of Rotary amongst the participants. We have for this program today a galaxy of Rotary leaders past and present who are going to enrich our knowledge about Rotary and inculcate leadership skill. We have past district governor Rotarian Sandeep Narang, who is the zonal advisor zone 6 for RLI, our district coordinator Rajan PDG Rajan Gandotra for RLI, our DG PDG Sanjeev Thakur, who is not only physically close to us but like others is very close to our heart also, and DG Vipin Chachan. And shortly PDG Yadav will be arriving, who will also help in inculcating the knowledge.
Thank you for this warm welcome to everyone. So now, we are going to kindle the divine light, a lamp that has been a beacon of knowledge, wisdom and positivity for generations. So may I request all dignitaries to come forward to light this lamp. Yes. तो कहते हैं ना, इस दिए की लौ को सूरज में डाला जाए. For waiting as they are going along with the photographs.
President in 1994-95. Sandeep was the district governor, district 3250 in 2002-3. Yes. He has been RI president representative 4 times. APF strategic advisor zone 5 2005 to 2008. Member permanent fund committee of India 12-13. Past chair and currently advisor RLI Eastern India Division. Regional convention promotion coordinator for the Seoul Convention in 2015-16. 24 Saheli centers, vocational training centers for women in the district with the help of RCMH and TRF. And the Rotary Jerry Powell Jaipur Limb Center at Dhanbad. Sandeep is area coordinator, South Asia for Rotary Action Group RCMH. He has edited a coffee table book, Why Am I a Rotarian? Sandeep is married to PDG past president Annu ma'am